World's Smallest are like the best toys for dolls and Barbies. So I bought one more that I thought would make a perfect toy for our Barbie. The beautiful, the amazing, the little people car. So yes, we have the little people car. So I'll be opening this today. I'll be showing you how it fits the Barbies, some other dolls. I saw this and I was so excited. I was so happy. So I found this online. You can get them at Indigo, Toys R Us, Mastermind Toys, Showcase, Walmart. You can get them at so many different places. I got this one online, but you can get it at any places. So the World's Smallest brand is the perfect brand. It's so good for Barbies and dolls. So let's open this, because I usually have a really hard time with the packaging with these. The packaging is so good at stores, but then when you get it, it's really hard to open. But it's easy when you get scissors. Oh, I did something. I better open the rest with scissors though, because when you're opening, you do not want to damage them, because they can usually be pretty fragile. So I just cut off the bottom and then quite close to the toy. Oh my god. Oh! Ah! Okay. Okay, so I just cut off the bottom close to the toy and then I just open it up and the toy usually pops out. This one is super fragile because oh my gosh, his head moves. Yes, you guys. Okay, so his head moves. But this one was super fragile because the little hand on his pot could break, but it didn't, luckily. So the car does roll. It rolls pretty smooth. This is really cute. This guy has some little freckles. He has a cute little pink smile. He has some eyebrows. You can just see the bottom of them. They look like little lines coming out from his pot on his head. The front of the car has a few little sculpted details. The car wheels do roll. I love that. It looks like a little cup holder or something back here. I don't know what that is. This is so cute, you guys. Let's see how it looks with a doll. Oh my gosh, testing time already? Where is it? Where is it? What way do I go? Back here. Oh, sorry. Little people's car. You told me it would be My Little Ponies. That's coming up in a different video. You'll have to wait till then. Ugh, fine. I guess I can wait. I'll test it. Thank you, Ken. Okay. So, here we have Ken. This is the little people's car. It fits him quite well. Oh, this is a really good scale. Let's get an LOL doll in here. Please me. I love twucks and caws. Please. So it goes with the LOL doll pretty good. Here, let's get a box over here so you can stand up on your own. So it fits him pretty good. I think this will be a really cute addition to the dollhouse. So much for watching. Subscribe if you want more videos, or just for fun, I guess. Like if you want more videos too, and I will have some, watch out for my next videos on World's Smallest unboxings. And see you later. Bye. Is it time? My Little Pony video yet? Please, 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 please. Please. Is it? Sorry. That's coming in a few days. But we'll get to that, and you can be the star in it. Ah, perfect. Can I keep this, please? Can I please keep this? How about you just put it in your room for a little bit? Sure, good enough for me.